All right, today's word is quite important. We're going to talk about hungry. The word is hungry. It's quite important because if you're in Thailand, you're walking around, the sun is beating down, it's hot, the time's different, it's going to mess you up, okay? Internally, your clock is going to be like, I'm hungry, and it's like, 2 in the morning. It's going to happen. Trust me, it's going to happen. You're going to go out there, you're going to be like, I am so hungry, dude. I don't even know where to start. How do you communicate with people? If this is your first time, this is Bodo Thai. My name is Bodo, and welcome back. And of course, I haven't been around for quite some time, but it is that time again. Let's get on with this, okay? Hungry. It happened to all of us. I'm always hungry, man. Maybe something wrong with me. The word hungry in Thai is hiu, hiu, hiu. Rising tone, hiu, okay, means hungry. Any kind of hunger, okay? Just say, for instance, if you're hungry for food, it's hiu khao, all right? Even though cow means rice, okay, in Thailand. But in general term, it's basically mean meals, food, anything that it's substance. It's heavy. It's as long as a meal, whatever meal it is, It can be a Japanese food, Chinese food, Thai food, American food, or hamburger, spaghetti, whatever it is. It's up to you. Whatever you're hungry for. Okay, we call it hiu khao. Hiu khao means just cover all of that. All right, hiu khao means I'm hungry for food. Okay, now. Next one is thirsty, but it's the same form of hunger, okay? I'm talking about thirsty for water, not thirsty for some other kind. You know that, okay? We'll talk about that later. But thirsty for water, okay? Thirsty for water is hiu nam. Nam means water, whatever it is that's drinkable. It can be anything liquid, as long as liquid is nam, hiu nam. That means thirsty. Now, next one is I'm not hungry. Hey man, you hungry? You want to go get something to eat? You're like, no, I'm not hungry at all. ไม่หิว means not hungry. Okay? Now, I want to recap you on all this real quick because you can use pom or chan. That means it's a pronoun. It's calling yourself pom or chan. If you're a male speaker, use pom. Okay. If you're female speaker or any speaker, any gender, use chan. Okay, chan or chan. Chan basically used for if you're writing a letter, writing a novel, writing a book. Use chan. But in a regular conversation, you use chan, it's up to you. You can say whatever you want. But pom is male speaker. No matter who you are, as long as you identify yourself as male, you use pom. And chan can be anyone. All right? No matter who you are, you can use chan, even males. All right? Anyway, let's get on with the lessons. Not hungry. ไม่หิว You can say ผมไม่หิว or ฉันไม่หิว means I don't want to eat, man. I'm not hungry. Don't force me to eat something I don't want to. All right? ไม่หิว What happened if you just like hungry a little bit? You just a little package, just like I'm not really that hungry, but I can eat. I'm just, I can just graze all day. Like me, I can eat all day. หิวนิดหน่อย 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 means a little bit hungry, but not that bad. I can do it. I can go on for another 10, 15 minutes. I'm still okay. Or even an hour. I'm still okay. หิวนิดหน่อย I mean, it's starting to get hungry, but I'm just letting you know. หิวนิดหน่อย All right? Means a little bit hungry, but not as bad. I can tolerate it. Okay? And if you want to ask someone, just your friend, new friend, okay? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You want something to eat? Are you hungry? You want to go get something to eat? คุณหิวไหม 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 means are you hungry? คุณ means you. หิว means hungry. ไหม is a form of a question. คุณหิวไหม Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Or is it just me? It's 3 in the morning. There's no one's getting hungry at all. What's wrong with you guys? I'm hungry. Okay คุณหิวไหม all right now just say if you're very hungry God you're starving okay very very extremely hungry is หิวมากหิวมากหิวมาก means I'm very hungry I can like eat someone okay หิวมากมาก mean very hungry extremely หิวมาก okay there's more words to that if you are extremely hungry but it's just going to be like different word I'm going to confuse you more but this is essential Thai I want to teach you the basic and the easiest way to speak Thai as fast as possible because you only have like a couple of days in Thailand you want to learn as much as you can here I am I'm here for you man all right next one what are you hungry for That's a good question. You ask them, are you hungry? And they're like, yeah, I'm hungry. What are you hungry for? All right? คุณหิวอะไร คุณหิวอะไร Note it. If you notice, อะไร rolling off the tongue. If you can't do it, just go อะไร คุณหิวอะไร means what are you hungry for? I'm here for you. What are you hungry for? Let's go eat. คุณหิวอะไรAgain, คุณ means you. หิว is hungry, right? This word today is หิว อะไร is what? What are you hungry for? คุณหิวอะไร They might say, I'm whatever. I'm thirsty. I'm this and that, whatever, Just say if you're hungry for dessert, for a snack, for whatever light, some pastries. You don't want a meal. You just want you want to taste something fun, right? Coffee and pastry or whatever, right? หิวขนม ขนม means snacks, sweet stuff, whatever sweet treat. หิวขนม ผมหิวขนม or ฉันหิวขนม means I just want to eat some snack, man. I don't want a full meal, I'll give you a bonus one. Extremely starving and you can't wait anymore. Is หิวจัด หิวจัด ผมหิวจัด หิวจัด mean hangry now. You're just like in a verge of like getting angry. Hungry and angry at the same time. It's like hangry. You're like Joe Pesci, หิวจัด You don't know what to do. You can't think anymore. หิวจัด Now you can use that. But most people don't really use it unless you're like in a desert or something. It's not, that in Thailand, there's food everywhere. Try them all. Street food is fun. There's a lot of them out there. You learned something new today. I learned a quote. Let's say, try something new today. Have you tried something new today? Well, if you're here for the first time, you're trying something new today. So it's a lot of information right here. But this one, I'm concentrate on the word hungry because you're going to need it. Let's keep this short. Make sure you rewatch it again because the pronunciation, it's quite important. The up and down of each words can mean a lot of different things. Okay, so go back, rewatch it, watch it with sound, not just write it down and practice on your own because you're gonna get all the tones wrong. Trust me, you're gonna go out there, you're gonna say something, they're gonna be like, say what? They're not gonna understand. Now, don't forget, I started an Instagram channel called Bodo_Thai. You can follow me there. There's tons and tons of like phrases and sentences there. You're not gonna remember them all. I mean, it's so much. You can just like hitting a jackpot for you. Seriously, check it out. Bodo_Thai on Instagram. You can follow me and you can learn so much from it. If you have any questions, just leave it down in a comment. Even leave it down in this comment. I'll get back to you. Okay? I'm gonna start coming back more and more for you guys because I know that you guys need to learn more. Summer is coming up and you need to go there to Thailand for Songkran Festival, Water Festival. It's so much fun. If you have any question, write down in the comment section and I'll help you out. Make sure you like and follow and subscribe to my channel and because there's going to be tons more information and tons more lesson you're going to need. All right, my name is Bodo and I'll see you soon. Peace.